guys, Anizi back here with another video about hyaluronic acid. So, unless you've been living under a rock and you just don't know what hyaluronic acid is and you just don't do your skincare, it's a pretty common ingredient in most skincare products, and it's also naturally occurring in the human body. So, hyaluronic acid is amazing for literally all skin types, and it causes no irritation, no redness. It's super simple and easy to use, and it helps maintain the moisture levels in your skin. So much like collagen that's in our skin, it degrades over time by free radicals, so we have to then add it to our skincare routines and add it topically. So the free radicals, unfortunately, are produced by the sun exposure that we use, but from our daily environmental, we go outside, well, not right now, not with Corona, but when we do go outside, the sun and the free radicals, they degrade the hyaluronic acid in our skin, which is why we need it topically to be applied, and it's helpful and beneficial in replenishing the moisture and helping with anti-aging. So with hyaluronic acid and topical application, it's a humectant. It helps reduce the loss of moisture in the skin, and it works to pull water from your surroundings and into the skin to hydrate the cells. Again, pull water to hydrate the skin. So it's not just that you put it on and it'll do what it does. It needs water, it needs to be in contact with water to really do its job well. So hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. It can literally hold up to 6 liters of water from 1 gram of hyaluronic acid. So it's pretty big in perspective of things. So you need to know it is an amazing item that you should put into your skincare routine. It doesn't add too much water to your skin, but just enough to make sure that it's hydrated. So with the hyaluronic acid, it is very small when you think about it. When I make my prickly pear hyaluronic acid serum, it is super fine and you could barely feel it between your fingers. It's very small, but you need just a little bit to make it work with water. So some of the benefits of it, reading off my little script here. Benefits, of course, hydrating the skin for a smooth, soft, plump appearance. It's great on any skin type, like I said before, literally normal, dry skin, combination, sensitive. It's super easy to use, and it's not like overly irritating to most skin types like certain things would be, and it's easy to be benefited from, honestly. And it hydrates the skin to the point that you no longer have fine lines. It literally plumps the skin, fills in those fine lines, and you look amazing afterwards. And like I said, its best work its best work is done in the damp skin area. So I just came out the shower. I used to just put the toner on after washing my face in the shower, but now that I don't live with my mom anymore, like I used to live with my 6 siblings, and it was hard to steam the shower, wait, let your face just breathe in all that warm moisture. I wasn't able to do that, but I can do that now. So I just came out the shower. So basically after the shower, I would just, spray my face with some toner. And this is one of the purchased ones. This is the one I make for myself. And I just take a little bit, put it on my face. Just use this. And usually my hands are wet, so we do that. Just literally pull up into the skin, and it goes in really quickly. For people who hear hyaluronic acid, sometimes they hear, they hear acid, and acid sounds bitter, sounds sour, sounds biting, sounds like irritating to the skin. But hyaluronic acid, it's part of the name. It's almost like putting water on your face. And then when I'm done putting on my hyaluronic acid, I spray again just to make sure it's super hydrated while it's going into my face. And it's best to use the humidity to your advantage and get the most out of this hyaluronic acid. If you put hyaluronic acid on and you don't have any moisture on your face, like you're coming from outside and you just decided to put some hyaluronic acid on and there's no moisture on your face, there's no moisture outside, it's not gonna do so hot. It's gonna peel, and it's gonna look real like when you rub your hands and they're dirty and you get a little dirt, like it just looks like your skin's peeling, and that's not what you want. Make sure to use water distilled water, toner, witch hazel, whatever works best for your face in the moisturizing department to put on before you use hyaluronic acid. But again, like I said, I do create my own prickly pear hyaluronic acid serum with For the Love of Melanin. This is $12 on the website. I created it because I moved to the desert last October and I knew I was gonna be dried out. I know that it's not the greatest when it comes to humidity around here. It's gonna be super hot and dry. I'm gonna need something to fix this, and that's not gonna work with just toner like I was doing before. It's not gonna work. It's like Philadelphia is a completely different place from California. So this saved my life. That's why I create a big one, because I literally use it so often. It gets used up. So again, Prickly Pear Hyaluronic Serum, it is super good, and I love the texture of it. It's super simple. I didn't have to put a lot of ingredients into this. Like sometimes people create products and they just have like a million ingredients, but it's like, what's the purpose of that? Simple, to the point, hyaluronic solution, prickly pear oil, which is also great for the face. It helps with melanin in your skin. It actually helps you glow a little bit. But I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys will check out the website to go look at the Prickly Pear Hyaluronic Serum, and I hope to talk to you guys again soon.